Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Wolf. And today, right now, the Bitcoin's price is again pumping after a small correction, or I would say profit booking at the $69,000 level. Yesterday the price of Bitcoin made again an all-time high at $70,000, and my trade is right now going in profits that I shared with you guys also live. So congratulations again, and I hope you learned from it, even if you did not capture this move. But I'm sure that I hope you learned something from this, because in future there will be many moves like this, and I want you guys to take trade accordingly with your own decision and not relying on anyone. So we took entry somewhat over here at $62,000, and currently the price of Bitcoin is somewhat over at $68,000, and it went all the way up till $70,000 also. So what I'm doing currently is that the price of Bitcoin will take some time to break this whole zone towards the upside. I hope you remember my purple zone. This is a very important resistance zone from $65,350 to $68,780. And you can clearly see how perfectly the price is following this. And yes, in the future obviously the price of Bitcoin will break this zone towards the upside, but whenever it will break, I will add on to my positions more and more. Currently it is running in profits, so what I will do is, my stop loss was somewhat over here earlier, stop loss $58,000. I will shift this stop loss to break even or above break even, so that if this whole trade goes against me also, still I will book some profits and exit the market. So then it will be a no loss trade at all, risk free trade. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm shifting my stop loss from here to somewhat over here. So yeah, let's see what happens currently in the price of Bitcoin, because if I move to the 1 month time frame, then you can clearly see continuous green candles are being formed right here. You can clearly see continuous green candles, and this is not right for the price of Bitcoin. There has to be a small correction, a small dump to the downside also, because I mean, you can clearly see none of the asset in the world performs like this, and if Bitcoin is doing it, then I don't think so it is a great thing to uh, compliment or something. But it is a bad thing for Bitcoin, because this clearly means that big institutions are buying and buying and Bitcoin, and retailers are just selling in FOMO and selling in greed, and they are buying, and in future it will not be helpful for any retailer at all. Also, coming to the Ethereum's chart right here, and I hope you all remember this important white zone. The price of Ethereum did a perfect breakout of it towards the upside, and right now it is facing a rejection at this important level right here, this important purple zone. I have not touched it or modified it at all, and you can clearly see how the price of Ethereum is respecting it perfectly from $3,816 to $3,980 approx. Currently the price of Ethereum still has not made an all-time high, and you can clearly see the price of Ethereum is somewhat over here. If the price of Ethereum breaks this purple zone towards the upside with a huge volume or with a retest, then I will definitely go long on Ethereum, and my next target will be all the way up at the I would say the main high of Ethereum, which it did made somewhat over $4,868. That will be my target right now, but I won't enter right now, because there's just no breakout or any reversal right now, or not any dip to buy. So entering in middle is, I won't recommend you all. It's better to buy at low and sell at high, or sell at high and buy at low. I hope you all know that. Quick analysis on Shiba Inu. I hope you all remember that we took our trade somewhat over here, and we made a good amount of profits earlier, and after that it's just an insane pump towards the upside, and I did not find any entry, because I'm a disciplined trader and I just don't trade on these green candles at all. I always find a perfect entry and then only enter, because I know that if I enter in middle also, yes, I will make money, but it won't last long. So currently here is some kind of a resistance for the price of Shiba Inu right here, and what I am expecting is that overall the trend is towards the upside, and right now it is in a consolidation and on a small halt because the buyers are exhausted right now. But if the price of Shiba Inu breaks this white zone towards the upside, and this zone is from 0.0358 to 0.0376, then I will definitely go long on Shiba Inu too. And currently I'm not going short on any crypto because going short is very risky, especially as a swing trading, because intraday and scalping, yes, I can go long, but I don't trade intraday and scalping. I only trade swing trading, and going short in the swing trading is very risky. Same thing with the sand USD chart also. After a huge pump towards the upside, the price of sand is currently in a sideways channel and kind of a inverse head and shoulders forming, which is a bullish pattern obviously. But right now it is facing an important resistance at this purple zone right here, from 0.675 all the way up to 0.7118. And it's simple. If the price of sand do a breakout towards the upside with a proper retest, then I will definitely go long on sand too, and I hope I find this opportunity and not miss it. So let's see what happens, because if I can clearly see, the price of sand did a fake out also earlier. Right here also it did a fake out, so I'll be careful this time. But yeah, let's see what happens here also. So there are right now two trades, sand and Shiba Inu, which are on my main watch list, and I will be keeping an eye on them. This is it for today's video. I hope you understand how our Bitcoin trade is going perfectly in profits, and how to manage it right now, and how to manage any trade you take in the future. So it's just a teaching. I hope you learned from it as well, and my Ethereum setup as well, and Shiba Inu, sand USDT, these two trades are right now a very important setup forming, and I will keep an eye on them as well. If you want to trade any crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. You can get $30,000 deposit gift, and yes, you can create an account for free. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.